about information and technology, having people mentor us on, you know, different aspects of technology. Like we had someone come to speak to us about was talking about his story, how he started off, his struggles, the challenges he faced. So it really inspired me and motivated me. And after this program, like, I'm going to become a better person, and I'm going to pursue what I want in information technology, which is content writing and digital marketing. I asked one of the speakers if I could Intel in his company, and he said yes. So I've been accepted as an Intel, and I will be starting, my internship in his company probably after this program, and I'm super excited. Thank you.
I've been able to learn a lot today, just today. So, and my past information that I had about agriculture was like built, was added more, so more value was added. So, I was able to capture some certain things, like getting access to a platform whereby I can easily market my farm product because I'm an animal farmer. So, I platform whereby I could access loans and also grants and also link to other sectors which can be able to help my farm products and services. So it was really catching and it was really benefiting to me.
I attended the employability section, and in this section we had resource individuals that are actually practicing what they talked about, and it helped us resonate with truly what they are saying. They were not speaking from what they've read, they cram something at home and they are here to pour it out. No, no, no. In university we call that la cram, la pro. So they talked about how you can rightly position yourself in the outside world, how you can gain clarity in what you are doing, and then how to move from the level that you are to the next level, even in that same system that you find yourself. So from my end, I have had a mind reformation about employability. When I was coming here, a friend was like, what are you going to do there? I said, okay, even if it's not for working with someone, I can consult. So trust me, I have been able to gain more clarity about discussing employability.
I've learned to be more, serious about what I really dream about. I've learned to be passionate, and I've learned to also learn and relearn as I can, as usual.
And it has been an awesome experience. I've got to learn on leadership, how I can lead myself, how I can also lead an organization, and I've also gone to learn about employability, how I can be employable. Because currently in Nigeria, there is a wide knowledge gap between the employed and the unemployed, and then because there are no skills, the unemployed don't have enough skills to be able to fill the positions that are actually in the job market today. So I've been able to learn how to be employable. I've learned employability skills and also how to stay employed, how to work in a workplace. And I'm super excited to be here. I really thank the Honorable Commissioner and the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs, the Governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, and every other person who made this possible.
We don't learn a lot for this place, for the program. The program too much. We learn about leadership. We don't learn how to lead people and organize people and to live a better life as a youth in the society. In fact, the days we don't spend for this camp, we don't learn many things, like now on agriculture, how we go fit dey improve on our farming products. Where we fit be say they will feel acceptance for the whole market of the world. Before now, they difficult for me because I know say some people they produce farm product when be say they know if they buy them for the international market. They don't teach us best practice, to go into farming, and when your product will come out, the world market go accept them. Apart from that, we don't learn many things about psychologically character, how you take behave for society to make the society a big one. So kudos to our Honorable Commissioner. The guy don't try, he do well, he don't deal with us since the beginning of the program. In fact, that man a man for the youth. Also, thanks to the governor of the state, Governor Godwin Obaseki. We never see him like this before. na the first time when this kind of thing dey happen for Nigeria na be this, and it's a privilege say some of us will be the first partaker, and we will go out there replicate wetin we learn for here to make Edo great again.